Hey guys, so apparently the first step is to wash your white articles of clothing. There could be invisible stains or something like that, so you just want to make sure you wash them. And this also makes sure that they're like more true to size, just in case there's any pre-shrinking that needs to happen. So yeah, I'm just gonna grab all of these. You can't really see this, but it does say warm water, and that's what was suggested, so that's what I'm going to do. So let's just press go. And there we go. We will leave that until it is done, and then we can start the dyeing process. It's recommended that you tie-dye things damp because this allows the dye to stick better, so I will be doing that. Once I take these things out, and I'll lay them out on a garbage bag, damp, and then I can begin the dyeing process. Hey guys, today we're in my backyard and we're gonna do a DIY for one of those trendy tie-dye sets. First, I'll show you all the things you will need. Okay, so here we have all the supplies, some paper towel, a big jug, some soap, and then we have some elastics, scissors. I have the Rit Petal Pink dye. And then I also have the Tulip one-step tie-dye in the blue color. And here I have my garbage bag set up, so you can cut up some garbage bags depending on how many pieces you're doing. I have 4 pieces today, so I have 4 pieces like this, smaller, and then like 2 base layers just in case, because I have 2 different colors. So yeah, this just ensures that the color dyes don't run, and then you can wrap these up immediately and there'll be no bleeding. So first off, I just have one of those plain white Gildan crew necks. These are like $14 on tshirt.com, I believe. I had a really hard time finding plain white joggers or sweatpants, so I ended up buying like expensive Aritzia ones. They are having their clientele sale right now, so they were like 40 bucks instead of 60, so that was pretty good. But anyways, desperate measures. These will work perfectly, and yeah, let's get started. Okay, so first we are going to mix our dye. First, I'm going to start with one of these, Petal Pink by Rit. I poured the entire contents of one of these packages, and I'm going to add water now and see what the coloring is like. I have another package of this, so if I don't think it's going to be dark enough, then I'll add the second package. It's best to do tie-dye with hot water, so let me just test it. Yep, that's hot. Okay, wow, that looks very pigmented and dark, and I made a ton of dye, so this should work perfectly. And I'm gonna take this outside now to where all the clothes are. This looks like pink lemonade or something. Look at that color, so pretty. Okay, so now you add some dish soap. Okay guys, so first I'm doing this white pair of sweatpants. Sorry you can't see me, but it's just easier so you guys can see what I'm doing. So I'm going to do the crinkle method. So I'm just going to start crinkling bunches from the bottom. Like that, and then I'm going to secure it with an elastic. Like that. Okay, now we're going to do the second leg. Okay, so now we have this, and I think I'll just also elastic it together this way just so it's more compact. Let's do one thing at a time. Okay, so here it is with the crinkle method. Praying this works for you guys. So I have one bottle of the pink dye here. Okay, so you're just gonna want to evenly coat the fabric. Okay, so now we need a refill. One side's pretty much done, but I'll do a little more. Okay, so now we have another bottle. Finish this off. I'm loving this color so far. It's really pretty pink. This probably needs a little more. So I'd say three little squirt bottles of these is enough. Okay, so now we have our third bottle. We'll just finish it up. I love this color. It's actually so perfect. Okay, so now we can actually undo it and just see if it's up to our standards. If there's some big white areas, we can just redo those areas. Wow, these are so pretty. Okay, so I don't know if you can see these guys that well on camera, but I will leave these to sit for 24 hours and then I will model them. Okay, so I think I'm just gonna do these two pieces for today, the sweatpants and then this, which will match. So we're gonna crinkle. And now I will crinkle the middle section. Then do one last elastic in the middle. Okay. Okay, now let's flip this. Okay, so I'm just kneading it. Now we are going to check it out to make sure it is up to standard. Make sure there isn't too many white spots, if that's what you want to avoid. Some people don't like to check it out and like to be surprised, but you know, if you want it to look exactly the way you want, you can obviously make some changes. That's pretty. Okay, and there you have it. There is the sweater as well. And tomorrow, in 24 hours, when they're all done, I will model you how they look. And yeah, I will see you then. Hey guys, so I'm back and this is the finished product. It looks so cute. It's like super pastel, like pink sky look. I really love how it turned out. The crinkle method is so easy and my favorite. I honestly haven't really used any other method besides a really long time ago, and I just prefer this. I feel like it gives such like a natural, cute look. And yeah, this is the Petal Pink color by Rit, and I highly recommend it. Super cute. So I also did a hoodie and a Champion cropped hoodie in a blue color, so I will show you that too. Okay, yeah, so this is just exactly the same, but it is a hoodie instead. I love this as well. Just like something different to have to match it with. Same color, the Petal Pink by Rit. And yeah, This is up close. Love these sets. And again, these pants are from Aritzia, and this is from tshirt.ca, the Gildan brand, and so is the crew neck that I already tried on. So yeah, and the Gildan brand's really cheap. It's like 15 bucks. I only went and resorted to Aritzia because I could not really find any good white sweatpants anywhere else. They're all sold out because everyone's on this tie-dye train, I think. But yeah, so love this. And I let these sit for 24 hours after I finished dyeing them, and then I did the washing, and this is how they turned out. Now I will show you the blue Champion sweater. Okay, so this is the Champion cropped hoodie. Love this. I was kind of worried about what would happen with the logos, but they look completely normal. And yeah, I love this color, and even the combination, it's like a cotton candy vibe going on. Yeah. I love how this turned out. This is the Tulip brand in the color blue. And yeah, I let these sit again for 24 hours in garbage bags, and then separately, of course, but yeah. And then I washed them in warm water and then put them in the dryer, and this is the result. I'm actually obsessed. This looks like a sky. It's so pretty. But yeah, if you guys have any questions on the tie-dyeing process, please let me know, and I will be happy to answer to the best of my ability. Hope you guys have an amazing day, and I will see you next time.